Hello everyone and good morning in another live session or whatever time of day it is where you are, because we are all over the world here. Today I know I promised on my feed to talk about how to draw power from your quilt, but I'm not going to do that because sometimes another story will come. Because lately I've been having a lot of new followers and I also post a lot with hashtags 30-minute quilting, but I realized that most people don't really know what that's about, so that's what I'm talking about. First, let me show you quilt as a sneak peek. Just because it's pretty, it's almost done, but anyhow, that's not relevant for the story. I just like to show a quilt because I'm a quilter. Anyhow, 30-minute quilting. I quilt and I teach people quilting as a way to create a beautiful world for everyone. For that, I've created 8 assignments, and one of the assignments, 7 I think, is to quilt every day for 30 minutes. Because if you quilt every day for 30 minutes, it becomes a habit. And if it's a habit, it becomes something you can ease into easily. And if you have a habit every day, that helps you to get back to yourself and to contemplate life and to have all the worries of your day fall from you. Or maybe in the morning, you can quilt 30 minutes a day to set your intentions. Because if I start my day something I feel passionate about, I am much happier throughout the day. So one of the assignments is quilt for 30 minutes every day. And I try to encourage people to do that with the hashtag 30-minute quilting. So we can see who else is doing that and we can cheer each other on. Well, that's basically it. And also, if you quilt daily, you also get more done than you would ever imagine. Because sometimes quilting can look very daunting and like a lot of work, especially if you do it by hand. But if you do every day a little bit, it will be done before you know it. I have notes there, so that's why I'm looking that way. So, I don't know, I don't have to talk a lot about this, I guess. If you have questions about it, you can always put it in the comments. But 30 minutes a day, I'm working on a sort of workbook that helps you to actually do that every day. Like it will help you to set a time of day and to set intentions and stuff like that, and to make sure that all the distractions are gone before you start quilting, so you actually do it, because it's like a gift for yourself every day. And if there's anything particular you want me to include in that guidebook, or you have any questions on how I can best help you to do that 30-day quilting, let me know. And I'm also working on something else that's really exciting, because if you want to quilt every day for 30 minutes, you need to have something to work on, and I'm working on that too. And it's going to be I'm very excited. I'm a bit nervous, but I'm also very excited about it. It's going to be interesting. But it's going to help you to start quilting and to get that taste of quilting with the help of clothes that have memories attached to them for you. Like what I like to say, we all have those piles of clothes that keep on moving through your house because it's a shirt your grandfather used to wear and you don't want to throw it away. But you also don't know what else to do with it, because what do you do with it? So it's in a box, or it's on the couch, and then it's in the living room, then it's in the bedroom, and you don't know what to do with it. Well, I'm working on something that will help you to turn those clothes that have memories attached to them into a lasting memory with that daily quilting practice. I call it a taste of quilting, and it will help you to have something in your life. Which brings me back a little bit to drawstrings from your quilts, because if you have a quilt with memories attached to them, you can use them to empower yourself. If you have, for example, a nervous presentation, you can have, sometimes I take this quilt with me and put it in my pocket, because it gives me strength and reminds me that I can do anything I want. So, if you have any questions about the guidebook or quilting with memories, or if you want to join me with the 30-minute quilting thing, use the hashtag. I will post it in the comments in the live video. And today I'm going to be short. Not all good stories are long. So, that's it for now.